Hello everyone, this is Mark. In the previous video, we started exploring element 6.2 of ISO 9001-2015 standard. We identified what relevant functions, levels and processes are for which we have to establish our quality objectives. Today we will talk about how quality objectives can be consistent with the quality policy and be measurable. The ISO 9000-2015 Quality Management Systems Fundamentals and Vocabulary Element 358 policy includes intentions and direction of an organization. In other words, our quality policy should contain our commitment to the interested parties, specifically to our customers. We will meet or exceed our customer needs and expectations. This statement is nearly a boilerplate. It is almost in all policies I have seen. It may sound good, but there is a problem here. For example, what objective should be for an on-time shipping to be consistent with this policy? Right, it should be at least 100% on the promised date. But very few companies comply with this rule. More often than not, I see objectives 90%, 95, 98, or whatever, but not 100%. Such a combination of commitments and objectives is a non-conformity against requirement 621A, so be thoughtful when setting your objectives related to your pledges in your quality policy. This confusion may arise from the buzzword used by some presenters. They advocate that quality objectives should be SMART, or specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. While some of these are good tips for quality objectives, some of them are debatable at best. Let's examine them and see what works and what doesn't. Objectives should be specific, that is right, reduce scrap, increase customer satisfaction score and others. Measurable, of course, reduce scrap by 5%, increase customer satisfaction score by 5 points, and others. The following two are a big no-no. Objectives could not be quote-unquote achievable or quote-unquote realistic if we were to comply with the standard, simply because the standard does not contain these terms or suggest that objectives shall be realistic or achievable. Objectives shall be consistent with the quality policy, period. The last bullet, timely, is a valid point. Reduce scrap by 5% by the third quarter of this year. Increase customer satisfaction score by 5 points by the end of the fiscal year, and others. One of a very successful man once said, "A goal is not always meant to be reached. It often serves simply as something to aim at." The moral of the story is, be careful of folks who try to sell you achievable objectives. This is all for today, folks. In the following video, we will continue exploring element 621. Meanwhile, do not forget to visit our Lean website. Go to the Academy page and look at our free downloads. Leave me examples of your objectives in the comments below. I would like to see your thoughts on this topic. Thank you for subscribing, likes, and comments. Your support helps us promote our Lean project. To learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. You will find a link to it on Amazon below. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the following videos. I hope to see you then.